The online world business keeps growing each day, and so many people are hungry for information, are hungry to learn a new skill, are hungry to solve their problems. And this is the perfect time for you to monetize your skills, monetize your knowledge. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can monetize your knowledge. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo Dube, and I help entrepreneurs and small businesses get clients consistently and profitably online. On this channel, I share tricks and tips on how you can build, market, and sell your products and services online, getting clients consistently and profitable. So if you don't want to miss any of those videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. That way you don't miss any videos like that I share. So when it comes to monetizing your knowledge, you have to start thinking of what kind of skills do you currently have, what kind of knowledge do you have right now that you can actually package to become a product that you can sell. So we're going to be focusing on a digital product, because a digital product is an easy product that you can quickly put together and actually put it out there in the world and start marketing and selling it. So what is that skill that you have? It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Just think of, what are you good at? What do people usually come to you asking for help with? And that you cannot get tired talking about. If someone was to come to you in the middle of the night, they'll be like, hey, Bruno, tell me about this topic. You can talk about it all day or all night long without getting tired about that. So you just have to think of what is that area that you're passionate about, and that you can then use that information or that skill that you have to package it up. That way you can help other people who are also wanting to benefit from that skill or from that knowledge that you have. So when you decide on which skill that you want to package or you want to monetize, you just have to not think of in what form are you going to be packaging it. Are you going to be making it into an ebook? Are you going to make it into a course? Are you going to be making it to a membership site? Or are you going to be doing like a coaching service or consulting service? How are you going to be packaging it all together? So that's what you have to think of after you decide which skill that you want to monetize. And once you decide which way you're going to be packaging your offer, then now all you have to do now is to bring it out there into the market. You have to market yourself, market your product, get a lot of people to get to know you and get to know what you have to offer, that skill that you have packaged up, right, that you want to monetize. Because the more people will get to know, the more people you can then drive to your funnels, because you have to set up a system where you're going to build that relationship with the people who are interested in that offer that you have, that knowledge that you want to monetize, right? So, and then when you send them to the funnels, you continue educating them about how best you can help them with your skill that you have monetized and your knowledge that you have packaged into an offer or a product, right? And then in the end, be able to convert those people becoming sales at the end. So by monetizing your knowledge, you're helping other people to achieve what they want in life, but also you're going to be making an extra cash, right? So I know a lot of people end up thinking this is such a daunting process when they think about how they can monetize their knowledge. They think, oh my gosh, this is going to take forever. In what way am I going to be able to do it? Or even start thinking, oh my gosh, who's going to be buying this product that I come up with, right? So then you start doubting, like, oh, am I even an expert enough for me to come out with this package or come out with this product that I'm monetizing with my knowledge? Or maybe there's some other people who know more than I do. And yes, there are people who know more than you do, but you are not targeting those people. You're targeting the people who are still behind you, right? Who still know less than what you know where you are right now. So let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, maybe your knowledge that you want to monetize, you are at the maybe the stage 6 in terms of your skill set, right? You're not yet at the 10 of being an expert, but you're at stage 6. So those people who are still at stage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 going back, they can actually benefit from what you have to offer. So that's all you have to concentrate on. Focus on those people, teaching them, because they're hungry to get to where you are right now. So you just have to help those people who are just behind you, a few steps behind you, to get to where you are. And the more you do it, when you're packaging it up, you actually become more of an expert, because you're learning more, you're more getting more comfortable about it, and you end up you're advancing your skills as well, and end up moving to another stage where you become maybe a 7, 8 in terms of your expertise. But you can only get to that point if you actually do start trying to help people well way behind to get to where you are. So don't let that hold you back. And all you have to do, if you're worried about who's gonna buy this, you just have to market it. You have to market it. That's how you're gonna get people to buy it. And the more people will go through that product and service, the more you get feedback to say, hey, how are they going through it? Are they getting any value from it? Are they learning from it? Then you can always make that product even better by that feedback that you get from that. But you can only get better and get feedback if you do start. So just go ahead, think of what skill you want to monetize and actually do that. And that will actually help other people who are way behind you and go on. So don't let that imposter syndrome hold you back. Don't let those limiting beliefs hold you back, or even the fear of that this may not work also hold you back. Don't let that hold you back, and just do it and monetize your knowledge. So I hope these tips have helped you in terms of you starting to think of how you can start monetizing your knowledge and bring out some service out there and help someone who's still a few steps behind you to get a result that they're looking for based on your skill or knowledge that you're going to be helping them with. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, like it, and comment and subscribe. And make sure you turn off the notification, that way you don't miss any other videos like this. For now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building your dream business, and I'll see you next time.